A surge in worldwide demand for electric vehicles, EV, is prompting manufacturers like Tesla Inc., TSLA.O, Volkswagen, VOWG P.DE, and Stellantis NV, STLA.MI, to acquire raw materials for battery production. The following are some of the main automakers, supplier, and mining agreements. Number 1. Renault SA, RENA.PA, and Stellantis NV, STLA.MI. Beginning in 2026, Vulcan Energy Resources, VUL.AX, will deliver 26,000 to 32,000 metric tons of battery-grade lithium compounds over a 6-year period. Terrafame, a Finnish nickel and cobalt miner, has signed an agreement to provide nickel sulphate. Quantities and a timeline have not been revealed. Number 2. Motors in General, GM.N, on April 12, 2022. Glencore PLC, GLEN.L, a mining company based in Australia, will supply cobalt for use in GM's Ultium battery cathodes, which power the Chevrolet Silverado EV, GMC Hummer EV, and Cadillac Lyriq vehicles. There were no specifics given. On July 2, 2021, Controlled Thermal Resources, CTR, Ltd's Hell's Kitchen geothermal brine project near California's Salton Sea will get a multi-million-dollar investment from GM, and the company will help develop it. By mid-2024, the project might be generating 60,000 tons of lithium, enough to produce approximately 6 million electric vehicles. Number 3. Volkswagen, VOWG P.DE, on December 8, 2021. Starting in 2026, Vulcan Energy Resources, VUL.AX, will supply lithium hydroxide for 5 years. In Germany's Upper Rhine Valley, Vulcan harvests lithium from geothermal sources. Number 4. Ford Inc. F.N. on April 11, 2022. Ford will purchase lithium from an Argentina-based Lake Resources NL, LKE.AX facility. The automaker plans to buy 25,000 tons of white metal per year from Lake's Cachi facility in northern Argentina. On September 22, 2021, from raw materials to recycling, partners with startup Redwood Materials to create a closed-loop or circular supply chain for electric vehicle batteries. Number 5. Toyota Motor Company, 7203.T. BHP Group Ltd, BHP.AX, will provide nickel sulphate from Western Australia to a Toyota Motor 7203.T, and Panasonic Battery, joint venture 6752.T. There were no specifics given. Number 6. Tesla, TSLA.O. Starting in 2022, Ganfeng Lithium Co. 002460.SZ of China will supply battery-grade lithium for 3 years. The amount of money involved was not disclosed. Ganfeng is the world's third largest lithium provider.